that velodrome leads me onto this.
Oh, what have we got there?
It's not my makeup case.
Isn't it?
No.
But your makeup case looks so similar.
It does very, very similar, but it's full of makeup.
Oh, okay. Oh, you got something else in there.
I've got something else in here, which... Oh, that, people.
Oh.
That's our radar.
A radar.
We've had radar at the velodrome before. They're not the most reliable things, these things.
Right.
They're a bit dodgy. I know Tony P's one sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. And I suspect this one's going to be the same.
Mm-hmm.
But this is a sports radar. It's meant for baseball and softball and everything. So if it can detect a little ball,
You'd think it would detect
you'd think it would be okay
car.
with a car. So this will be mounted on a tripod next to the track.
Mm-hmm.
And because it fits on a normal camera tripod, it means I can move it up and down and across, so we can sort of aim it to get it right.
What's it look like when you switch it on?
If I find the button, it'll be this one here.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
It was pretty bright, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Try it again.
I will.
Yeah,
Look at
okay.
that.
Well, we should be able to see it from a
Yeah.
fair distance away, right?
Yeah. So we're this should do the job for us. It's not 1,000% accurate because we're off to the side of the track, so it's basically a cosine issue in that respect. But it'll be a decent comparison between the cars.
for sure. There's definitely everyone wants to know how fast they are, even if it's just a rough guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll have that there. Purchased off Amazon for $90 on special. So I don't have a whole lot of faith in it, to be honest, but I don't know.
I do. Looks cool.
Does it? It looks cool. And it's got a thing that says scan me on the back. So I mean, so we'll see what happens with that. So because we've had trouble in the past, I thought, this one came up. I thought, I'll buy this and we'll give it a try. And hopefully it'll give people some reasonable comparison between everyone. Or
that's good.
Just might not work at all.
Oh, well, at least we tried, eh?
That's always an option.
That's right.
And it means just another useless electronic thing at my house that I don't need.
That's fine.
But that's all right. So
I think it'll work.
I'm
looking forward to it.
I've got a degree of confidence. I've got a degree of confidence.
Okay, so now we've got this. So everyone's going to have a rough idea of how fast they're going. That's if they can concentrate on that. Otherwise, I'll need someone else to sell them.
Yeah.